myself Pratiksha.
Myself Rohan.
I am studying in 5th standard.
I am studying in 4th standard.
Our school name is GLPS Jannavara.
Now we are going to do an activity
about WH question conversation activity. What is your best friend name?
My best friend name is Darshan. What is your school name?
Our school name is GLPS Jannavara. How old are you?
I am 10 years old. How are you?
Once upon a time there lived 4 cows in the forest. Every day they is going to eat a grass to forest together in particular spot. They were all friends. One day the lion saw the cow. The lion wanted to eat them. He went to catch them. When the cow saw the lion, all them fight.
ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಮತ್ತು ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಶಾಲಾ ಪರಿಕರಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ನಾಲ್ಕು 25ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನಿಂದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವರ ಅನುಮತಿಯಂತೆ ಸರ್ವರ ಕೋರಿನಂತೆ ತೇಜಣ್ಣನವರು ತೇಜ್ಪಾಲ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರನ್ನಾಗಿ SDMC ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಮತ್ತೋರ್ವರು ನಮ್ಮ SDMC ಶಾಲೆಯ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಒಮ್ಮತದಿಂದ ನಯನ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಪಿಸೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ತೇಜ್ಪಾಲ್ ಅಣ್ಣರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಯನ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರವರು ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತ ನಮ್ಮ SDMC ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಅಣ್ಣನವರು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ ನಿರ್ಗಮಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಸೇವೆ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಅವರು ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಬೇಡ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಬಂದು ಚಾಚು ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಅವರು ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದಂತಹ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಅವರಿಗೆ SD
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, who are you? I am Jeevita. I came from Jannavara, Sikiratala. What can I help you? I don't want to go Yeshwanthpura bus stand, sir. Please help me. You want a Yeshwanthpura bus stand? Yes. Wait, listen. Miss Prati, I am studying in 2nd standard. My school name is GLPS Jannavara. I will tell you a story. The story name is The Fat King. There was a fat king. The fat king had a fat king and he think the fat king and his dog went for a walk. The dog saw a cat and ran after it. The fat king ran after the dog. He ran and ran for many days. The fat king caught the dog. Now the fat king was thinking.
ಟಾಪರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ 5th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಣ.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬನ್ನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ ವಿತರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟಾಪರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಿ
ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿನ ಪಡೆದಿದೆ ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ.
ಮೈಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ.
ಈ 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟಾಪರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್. ಆ ಮಗು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಮೈಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4th ಟಾಪರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
ಮೈಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಮೈಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಮೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ರಮ್ಮ.
I know you will enjoy the program. Today we are celebrating English Fest. Now I am going to call upon the stage SDMC President of our school, Prakash Uncle. Please come on the stage, Uncle. Today's program. Good morning, our happy English Fest program. Good nature, obedient, our school parent, Mani Auntie. Please heartily welcome to our school today's program. Today we are celebrating 31st English Fest. First of all, I wish you all a very happy English Fest. Now I am going to call upon the stage very sincere person, Jaidev Uncle. Please come on the stage. First of all, I would like to thank all our guests for joining us today's English Fest. Now I am going to call upon the stage. Please, Auntie, Sudha Auntie, please. I can't stand, I can't walk. How can I walk? Come and sit here. I can't sit also. How can I sit? I will help. Sit. Take and eat the banana. No, I can't eat anything. I don't want. Please eat the banana. No, I can't eat. Wait, 5 minutes. The doctor will come. Come inside. I will check you. Okay, I can't stand. I will help you. Come. Congratulations, sir, you got a toy baby. Oh, I'm so happy now. But one bad news. What is that tell, doctor? He doesn't have 2 hands also. He doesn't have 2 hands also. Don't show to me. Sir, it is your baby, sir. Take. I don't want baby only. What to do? His father also is not collecting this baby. His mother also not well now. When his mother is back up, then I'll give to her only. Nurse, how is my baby? Congratulations, ma'am. You got a boy baby. Oh, really? I am so happy. But one bad news. What is the bad news? He doesn't have 2 hands also. Oh, really? The God gave what to do? I will handle this baby.
After few years later,
Yeah, my papa, but he won't train, yeah. Wow. Maybe that's the time with you to play, yeah. Hey, you doesn't have a hand on the Vijay can play. Why I can play? Anyone has to not time to me to play. How can I play? Come on. Get the ball. Get the ball. Maybe that's the time with you to play, yeah. See, I don't say not have hands. He came to play. Hey, yeah, he doesn't have a hands to play. Goes in here. for my abilities, not my disabilities. It is not about what is our loss. It is what is our found and built. Different is not broken. It's just unique. The disability is a life, is a bad.